and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be
unboxing a hot air fryer.
Whoa, it's
Big.
It's a hot fryer.
It's easy to clean, fat, safe energy.
I was gonna say, well, it's hot.
Okay. Small.
Can I get it?
Yeah.
Yes. Alright. Let's give it a mini knife.
Okay.
Seriously? Okay.
I don't see anything.
It's because you're small.
Okay.
Is it just done?
It looks like a cheese grater.
Okay, so that's it.
It's glass. Oh. How do I hold this?
On the table.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's like
Bowl. Okay, not in the hole.
big bowl of rice.
Open mo. Pagin mo.
Okay.
2 hands.
Is that heavy?
Eh.
It still works.
They give us a man. Oh, there is.
Probably the same as
Instruction manual. Quite, Okay.
Tapos dito.
Based on this picture, we put the bowl in here. Then we put this on top. Oh wait, we have to.
There's nothing in there. Why? Why aren't we doing this in the kitchen?
Because recording in the kitchen is much harder.
Okay.
Now we have to untwist this. You just want this tiny little
Put inside.
We can hold it
Thing.
So
there.
put inside.
okay.
E.
You arrange this.
Oh, it could be used like a barbecue.
Okay.
Masak
Don't
sa
put a
bawang.
hole in it.
Don't put hole. Why?
Because it's already going to cook the food. Why would you need to put another food cooker? Oh. It's not that long actually.
Cold. I don't know how to use this, and I don't even know how to cook.
Do it. Wait, what?
What?
Me when?
I forgot again. Okay. Oh.
How do we turn? Oh,
Tagal mo muna tayo.
Okay.
Oh, and arrange them.
is it actually connected?
Arrange them.
What's that?
Okay, it's like,
What is this?
it's.
What is this for?
Oh, I think it's. You have to remove the.
Balik mo yan.
Okay.
I don't know.
No,
Let's read the manual.
I think you have to put one in, and if you don't like it, you can put the other one in.
Arrange mo na.
Okay. Can I read this?
Arrange mo na. Don't waste time.
Okay, fine. Frosty. Oh, cold.
How to boil? Why does it say
It's
boil?
based on broil.
Place the food directly on the wire rack, lower higher rack. For every 6 pieces of meat, turn
At
to
least your
the
hands is clean.
halfway point. Like roasting,
Yes.
boiling time may vary depending on each size nut.
Read later.
Okay.
You aren't reading any important parts.
I thought that it said how to boil.
Broil. Broil is a real word, you know, get over it.
Okay.
Broil.
Now we place these.
I forgot what broil meant, but I know it's real.
Okay. It's a cookie thing. Cook thing.
Ow.
Dip this. Really cold.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
start.
that should be enough.
Okay.
Over.
How do we cook this?
I'm gonna do this.
I don't know how this works.
Oh, start mo.
Let's begin. Okay.
There's a
Oh,
button.
10 minutes.
Okay, so. Oh, how hot should it be?
10 minutes, about 250.
No, stop counting.
Start. That is 10 minutes.
10 minutes at what
Degree.
temperature? I can hear it count.
Yeah. Did you read the manual?
Count is fine. Repair warranty. Okay.
What? How much is it? I didn't expect
Should be
that,
250
okay?
degree.
It's scaring the spring rolls until they're cooked.
10 minutes.
I
Oh,
think
it actually
they're done.
smells electronic.
I don't smell it. Okay, just watch this really yellow thing.
There isn't smoke, but I smell it.
It said smokeless.
Yeah. But it kind of smells like that. It's really a good thing, actually. Well, at least this video will be 10 minutes long. You're right. Just have to. Don't touch
So
it.
just have to wait until 10 minutes.
Okay. Meanwhile, we can enter. Hi.
What? We are back with the hot air fryer.
Hey everyone, it's
What?
part
It keeps
2.
turning on and then off. What?
Okay, this is becoming awkward. Basically, the cheese is melting.
Yes. And I saw what the spring roll melting.
It does stuff like that. Yo, that one got a bubble. I'm gonna eat that one, dibs. It's not turning off and on. I forgot what he did to do that.
I don't know how many minutes it has been.
So it's almost 10 minutes.
Really?
What's the one with the bubble?
That's mine.
Bubbles the cheese.
How long is this gonna take to clean off the cheese blobs? Anyway, it's doing a good job.
It's easy to clean. The cheese falling.
No, because they've been like
So the cheese-
re-grilled.
So the cheese probably froze.
No, it didn't freeze. I forgot what they called it. It was fried. Yeah, cheese got fried. It melted and then it got fried. You know how after cooking something it becomes like crispy? It's kind of like that.
Okay. I
Alright.
taste one of them.
Dibs on the bubble.
Oh, don't touch it, it's hot.
Okay, good idea. Let's get some cooking
No,
gloves.
I'm just nothing.
We weren't sitting here the whole time because I told you to get away from the machine. It's not cooking, it's just counting.
Why is there something? Okay.
So is it cooked now?
Okay.
Don't touch
I
it.
don't want to test.
Give it on.
Okay. I think we're gonna need more than tissue. Don't you? Shouldn't you like wait a little first?
Crispy.
Hold on,
It's
yeah.
hot.
You gotta hold that.
Oh, paano yung tissue mo doon?
Okay. I'll fold this a lot.
This one have bubbles.
Is it crispy? To the one of the one.
No.
The cheese is melted.
Bubble is mine.
But it's cheese.
Yes, please. Give me.
Lahat toasted na yun.
The bubble's actually stuck to another cheese stick.
The melted cheese is sa baba.
I want.
I'm a coward. I don't want to pick them up. Oh,
Oh,
fresh. This one is fishing rod.
taste no taste. What does it taste?
Oh.
Taste test.
Okay, it's done. And we already put them out.
And what is the taste?
It tastes.
Crispy,
Ah.
and I didn't even get the taste because it's too hot.
Whoa, it tastes hot. We did it. Cheese waterfalls. So, there's lots of cheese to clean up. You could use a spoon, and you could lick the spoon.
I'll just clean this later.
Let me eat.
So what does it taste? Crispy.
You know the taste of like a grilled cheese sandwich?
Yes.
Kind of like that. Remember when we had a toaster? Get a cheese sandwich, put it inside, and then when it's done cooking, it'll taste like this.
So what do you think? It's good?
Yes.
Yep, that's fast.
What can you say about the hot air fryer?
It's
Good.
very good.
It's good, but I got terrified the first time. Or whatever word you can use.
It's really good. 9 out of 10. Still very hot, but that's kind of the point. So 9.5 out
That's
of 10.
because it says hot air fryer.
Okay. Bubba's mine.
I thought of it as a joke. I thought it was like fry air.
Oh,
Alright
In the
everyone,
next
thanks for watching our video. We'll see you all in the next one.
Bye.
Look at this.